Let's look at final exam question number 43 in Physics Demystified, second edition. If you have the printed book, please look at the bottom of page 522. We're talking about conventional current in a battery-powered circuit. How does the conventional current flow? Well, first of all, electrons in a circuit, very simple circuit like this, a battery and a resistive load and some wire, the electrons flow from the negative to the positive. That is electron current. But conventional current goes just the other way around, from positive to negative. Now you may wonder why in an electrical circuit like this with wire, very simple wire, and the charge carriers are mainly electrons, their direction of flow is from minus to plus. So why on earth would physicists say that the current in a theoretical or conventional sense flows from plus to minus? And the answer to that question, well, first of all, the answer to this question is C. The correct choice is C. Why would physicists say this? Well, way back in the day, before they really knew what electricity consisted of, they didn't know that electrons even existed really. All they knew was that if you charged up certain kinds of objects, like for example a Leyden jar, a capacitor, you could get a lot of juice. You could get a phenomenon called electricity. So they arbitrarily assigned poles to it, and as things turned out, they decided that current logically would go from plus to minus. That would be the logical way to define it. However, when they finally got around to figuring out what really was responsible for this phenomenon, they discovered that electrons have a negative charge. So that's just one of the artifacts of the olden days, still hangs around, and they still say conventional current goes from minus to plus. So the answer again is C.